Welcome to this lesson on icons, folders, and how to search. Icons are mostly located on the desktop. Every time a program is installed, it will automatically create an icon, or while the program is installing, it will ask you if you want one to be created. Icons are basically shortcuts that point to where the actual executable or program is located on your computer. When you click or double-click the shortcut, it launches the program. The folders icon is a way to access files on your computer. By clicking the icon, it opens up the File Explorer. The File Explorer is a utility that lets you find, view, and open files on your computer. The main folders are Desktop, Downloads, Documents, Pictures, Music, and Video. By default, programs will store or place things in one of these folders. This is your main folder group, and mostly anything that you're looking for will be found in one of these folders. When you download files or programs from the internet from within your browser, by default, once downloaded, they can be found in your Downloads folder. By clicking this PC, you're able to access any additional hard drive that is attached to your computer. When looking for something on your computer, it is important to know how to search. You can search via the search box when you click the Start button. Now, some versions of Windows, this will not work and it'll bring up a screen like this. What we can do is press the Windows key and S to bring up the search. And from here, we can search the name of the file that we are looking for. So let's say we're looking for music. If we type the word music, we get a list of search results that best match what we typed in. If you don't know the full name, but partially know some of it, you can type that in here and possibly find what you're looking for in the list of results that appear. And that ends our discussion for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.